Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. Have you wrapped your Cybertruck yet? Well, if not, I think it's time to consider possibly this new color from our friends at Inozetek. Take a look at Satin, Liquid, Metallic, Tungsten, Gray. And as you can see, we wrapped the complete exterior of the Cybertruck for this color transformation. And now, because this PPF film is hydrophobic, has self-healing properties, and is very easy to keep clean, this is a wonderful solution for us Cybertruck owners. We offer this service at our Los Angeles facility in California and also in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, when you bring your Cybertruck over to one of our service centers, the prep is very important. We're gonna go ahead and wash and clay bar your Cybertruck. We're gonna remove the exterior cladding, specifically the four-wheel arches, the side view mirrors. And this is done to go ahead and ensure a proper rolled edge color change transformation to the Cybertruck. Now, if you are not local to either one of those service centers, we actually have a do-it-yourself, a DIY program, where you can choose this really cool color or over 100 other colors that we can send you in a pre-cut kit so that you could do it yourself at home. And with all the YouTube videos that we have, we make it very easy. Check out the links in the description below to either make a reservation to one of our service centers or to order this DIY kit. Thank you for watching. If you love our content, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.